Got a 5G phone and live in an area with 5G signals, but your phone company or carrier has it blocked? Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to bypass that and force-enable 5G on an unsupported carrier. Quick disclaimer before we jump in. Any modifications you make to your device's network settings are done entirely at your risk. I am not responsible if anything goes wrong with your connection. Step 1. Head to the link in my description and download two apps, Shizuku and the IMS 5G app. A massive shout out to the original creator of this tool for making this workaround possible for all of us. Need developer mode. Go to Settings, About Phone, and tap your build number 7 times. Once that's done, open Shizuku. We need to pair it via wireless debugging. Go to your new developer options, turn on wireless debugging, tap it, and hit Pair Device with Pairing Code. Enter the code that pops up into the Shizuku notification. When Shizuku says running, go to your phone's application management settings. Find the Shizuku app and make sure you toggle on permissions for the IMS 5G app so it has the access it needs to change your network settings. Finally, open the IMS 5G
Step
app.
5. Activating 5G and VoLTE. Finally, open the IMS 5G app. Look at the bottom of the screen. You will see your carrier listed. Press your carrier's name down in the right corner. A menu will pop up. From here, simply toggle on VoLTE and LTE carrier aggregation. Quick note, if you run into any issues and completely lose your signal, don't panic. There is a reset button in the top right corner to revert everything back to normal.
All right, guys, that is going to wrap it up for today's video. Thank you so much for hanging out and watching until the end. If you enjoyed the video, please do me a huge favor and drop a like down below. It really helps support the channel. If you are new here and want to see more, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Finally, be sure to forward and share this video with a friend who might enjoy it. Keep being awesome. Take care and goodbye.